The Lagos State Universal Basic Education Board has honored teachers who have demonstrated exceptional qualities at the EcoExcel training. EcoExcel, an acronym for Excellence in Child Education and Learning, is an education reform program poised to develop highly skilled teachers through training, supporting and motivating existing government teachers to succeed in the classrooms.
We want to continue to appreciate and recognize you for what you have been doing. And as such, we must continue to appreciate, recognize, commend, and encourage you to do more.
Chairman of Lagos State Universal Basic Education Board, Honorable Wahab Alawiye King, said the event is to spur the teachers to put in more efforts.
This is a form of encouragement to those who have exhibited exceptional qualities during the EcoExcel training.
He assured the teachers of continuous training and retraining.
Continuous training, that is the way to go. We must continue to empower them. You understand, programs are emerging on a daily basis, and as such, we must be able to give them the necessary skills, that are needed and required, to make them globally competitive.
The teachers were recognized promise not to rest on their oars.
I feel this is a way of encouraging other 21st century teachers to do better in our profession. In this line of profession, this kind of programs is very, very essential because it gives us more motivation to do more.
I believe Lagos State is doing well in celebrating teachers when they have done wonderfully well in their doings.
I would really like to appreciate SUBEB for putting together this great event to appreciate teachers, teacher champions, and we trust that we'll see a lot of good feedback, good outcome in our children, and we believe that we'll continue to support them, and we appreciate Lagos State government for doing this and making sure this program is running as much as it can.
Through EcoExcel, the teachers are able to understand classroom management and build positive behavior development for every child.